Hello, I'm Jacqueline, Knowledge Anywhere's marketing lead, and today we're going to go over how to upload external training records. So we're starting in Knowledge Anywhere's Administrator LMS, and we're going to be in the learner side in this left-hand bar right here. So now that we're in a place where we can search learners, find the learner that you would like to add the external training record to. So for example, I'm going to do Knowledge Anywhere's founder, Charlie Gillette. Now that we're in Charlie's learner details page, I'm going to go over here to quick actions and external completion. So I'm going to add his external completion here. Let's say that he's completed this. You can see that I have, but for the sake of this, we're going to say he has. So prevent harassment in the workplace. I'll just go ahead and copy this title over. Let's say he completed this today. And you can either choose a course link or a file. So for right now, option 1, let's choose the course link. You can save that here. And then within his transcript, you can notice that this is added under external completions and is completed. If you want to see exactly what is under external completions, you can accordion this little caret out and you can see preventing harassment in the workplace is completed on today's date. So let's try that again with a different type of completion. So this time I'm going to say preventing harassment in the workplace. And just so we can see it later, I'm going to say second version. We'll do today as the completement date. And instead of a link, I'm going to choose a file. So this came with a downloadable certificate, and we'll just upload it here and hit save. And once we're back on transcripts, you can see the second version is right here. So this has been a quick overview of how to upload external training records. I hope you've learned something, and if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please feel free to reach out to us at support@knowledgeanywhere.com. Thank you.